Hello guys, today we are going to see F&D T60 Pro peak power 280W tower speaker. So this is the look of the speaker guys. It is made up of iron wooden material with 280W output. This is the setup of the tower guys. You have to keep one in the right side and one in the left side of your TV. So this comes with 280W with digital display. We can see the volume buttons. And it will give a very rich look to your TV guys, and is one of the best tower speaker. So it comes with booming bass of 120W strong power with excellent touching sound. So it comes with a wireless remote guys. You can adjust volume and bass in this remote. So it comes with microphone and remote, and these are the specification, and these are all the options the speaker has. So let us open the box. So this is the box of F&D T60 tower guy. We can see the size, and these are all the things inside the box. Karaoke mic, LED display, USB, coaxial and optical connectors. So let us open the box of T60 Pro peak power 240W. So this is the look guys. Look at the size of the beast. So this is the one of the best tower speaker for your home guys. So these are the controller they have given in the top side of the speaker. So in the back side you can see they have given speaker connector, and this is the back side of the connector guys. They're given 2-pin socket and microphone jack. So this is a remote guys. They have given wireless remote for the speaker. These are all the things inside the box, and one microphone they have given, and one aux cable, and aux to set-top box audio video cable also they have given guys. So these are all the things they have given. So let us check the beast sound of this T60X Pro. The bass is so much good guys. It feels in our heart, the bass, and not even a single vibration of this beast. So this is the sound test for F&D T60X. So overall this speaker is one of the best tower speaker for home guys. It is better than Sony and Philips or other company. So F&D has given a nice tower speaker on 2024. It costs around 15,000 guys. Now it has cost around 18. You can buy on Flipkart. Thank you.